Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in SGW Payroll account. So if you also want to log in SGW Payroll account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar, type in SGW payroll.paydashboard.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of SGW Payroll. Over here you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your username or email. Simply click on this box. Now enter your username or email. Make sure to enter the correct username or email. After that, click on the next option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Enter your password correctly. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset your password. After entering the password, all you have to do is click on the login option that you'll be able to see on your screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into SGW Payroll account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.